B. 5 ways in which NACADA may contain the problem of illicit brews include strengthening enforcement efforts to identify and shut down illicit brewing operations, collaborating with law enforcement agencies to conduct targeted raids and seizures of illicit brews, raising public awareness about the dangers and consequences of consuming illicit brews, enhancing surveillance and intelligence gathering to identify and apprehend key players in the illicit brewing industry, implementing stricter regulations and penalties for those involved in the production and distribution of illicit brews. Kenya School of Government. Proficiency Examination for Clerical Officers. August 2015. Paper Code 201. Organization and Functions of Government. Date Tuesday, August 19, 2015. Time 2:00 p.m. to 4:00 p.m. 2 hours. Instructions to candidates. This paper consists of 2 sections, A and B. Section A consists of 12 compulsory questions carrying 40 marks. Section B consists of 3 compulsory questions carrying 20 marks each. 1. Identify 2 independent offices in the Constitution of Kenya, 2 marks. The 2 independent offices in the Constitution of Kenya are Kenya National Commission on Human Rights, Commission on Administrative Justice, Office of the Ombudsman. 2. State 3 roles of the Secretary to the Cabinet. 3 marks. 3 roles of the Secretary to the Cabinet include providing administrative and secretarial support to the Cabinet, coordinating the preparation and circulation of Cabinet papers, ensuring the implementation of Cabinet decisions. 3. Rank the following officers in a State Department in order of seniority: Assistant Director, Senior Assistant Director, Senior Clerical Officer, Office Administrative Assistant. 4. Identify 3 subordinate courts in Kenya, 3 marks. 3 subordinate courts in Kenya are Magistrates Court, Cadi's Court, Courts Martial. 5. The following are statements about county governments. State whether they are true or false. The County Executive Committee implements county legislation, false. The county governor can hold office for more than 2 terms, false. The Speaker of the County Assembly can vote on a question/motion before the Assembly, true. The county governor is a member of the County Executive Committee, true. 6. State 2 conditions necessary for one to be appointed in the office of Cadi, 2 marks. 2 conditions necessary for one to be appointed in the office of Cadi are being a Muslim, possesses such knowledge of the Muslim law applicable to any sects of Muslims as qualifies the person, in the opinion of the Judicial Service Commission, to hold a Qadi's court. 7. State 4 factors that can lead to the removal of a member of the County Executive Committee from office, 4 marks. 4 factors that can lead to the removal of a member of the County Executive Committee from office are gross violation of the Constitution or any other law, inability to perform the functions of office due to mental or physical incapacity, gross misconduct or misbehavior, incompetence. 8. From the list below, identify 3 officers who serve in the national government: Cabinet Secretary, Deputy County Commissioners, Sub-County Administrator. 9. State whether the following are public officers or state officers: Cabinet Secretary, State Officer; Director in a State Department, Public Officer; Clerical Officer, Public Officer; High Court Judge, State Officer. 10. Which of the following are state corporations in the Ministry of Tourism: Kenya Utalii College, Kenya Safari Lodges and Hotels, Kenya Wildlife Service.